Each year, Australian businesses are compromised via spam email. 93% of these data breaches include email phishing. Have you ever wondered if an email is legitimate? I know I have. Keep your inbox safe by following these 5 quick tips. Carefully check the email sender address. Hover over any links inside the email. Is there anything strange about these links? Is there any unusually poor grammar, spelling, or punctuation? Is the email requesting urgency? An email can be made look like it's come from someone in your business. Does the email signature and sign-off look okay? If in doubt, investigate further and don't click. See you next time for another cyber safety tip.